was thinking about it. When there were Gen Z protests, if you think about it, we have had ODM protests before. But in 2024, there were no Gen Zs, and there were no ODM. ODM was not in the streets, Baba was not in the streets. It was Gen Zs, the different movement. Have you ever asked yourself how that was quelled, or what William did with that? He saw a chance to bring his former pals from 2007. Think about it. Everyone that he brought are his pals who he was in ODM with, the people they formed ODM with. So he brought Badi, so he brought Wandai, so he brought Joho, that's when he brought Oparanya. Alirudisha tu. He was looking for an opportunity ya kuonesha Wakikuyu, nyinyi watu wajinga sana, watu wa mlima, kwendeni huko, hii serikali tunafanya na wale watu wa. And he called them experts to show us that we are fools and the other people are educated, we are not. If you think about it, this script, these guys crafted this script in 2012, and now I believe what Uhuru Kenyatta was telling us. Wataneni na Umutu, this man is dangerous. Uhuru had been with this person for 10 years. He knew this guy is dangerous. He had sat with him for 10 years. He knew this man is a dangerous man. That man is the one who fought BBI. He duped us to fight against BBI. And BBI, you know what, now we know what BBI meant. And we now know what Uhuru meant when he brought BBI. This guy fought even the constitution that we have today in 2010. Yani mimi sijui Umutu, lakini Umutu ni kama, I think the guy must be on some, there must be something that he uses. How can you dupe 7 million people? And they vote for you and you're a bad man. Yani when I think about, when I remember singing Talk, Kirata, I feel like crying. Can you imagine? You woke up early to vote for that guy, but and he's made sure that nothing. I feel for some people, like my guy from Gatundu North. Yani mtu amekupatia hope, amekuja kwako mara kadhaa, yani lakini ni uongo tu. And the guy comes, tells you people. Like now, he came to Monyuni, he said we'll give them a bus. In 2023, a bus. He lied. And that guy, when he finishes talking to you, that story is done. Akifika pale kwa mlango amesahau hiyo maneno. It doesn't say anything that he means, and it doesn't mean anything that he says. So it's just a very sad.
Few Mheshimiwa walked out in Naivasha.
I don't know the exact number, but practically, whether you like it or there are some things. Kuna kitu ikisemwa, it doesn't matter where you stand is. Unachoka tu leo unasikia hata mkutano, you have no taste for it. You don't even want, you have no mental probity to listen to anything else that is going to be said in that room. So the guys walked out. We were practically all of us, unfortunately, we were not seated in order of our spaces, so it was random sitting. But anyway, everyone from the outside from the mountain left. We sat outside. You're so disoriented. You feel so disoriented in space and time. You don't know why you're here. You don't know whether you should go back to Nairobi. People just sat outside there in the grass, just very disillusioned. And I can tell you, our people are just sitting there waiting and counting their losses and saying, okay. Everyone is just looking for, people are processing, we process information differently. So everyone was in that room is processing that information and wondering why one would be so abrupt with you. Yani usiata unaonesha mtu dalili kidogo, you tell them maombi akufungua. After the national anthem, Bensouda akaombesha. Yani maombi, yani ilifanywa maombi ndo yani ni agenda iliyoko kwa maombi. Mungu anaomba, anasema wewe Mungu tunakuomba wakati tunakuja kuchukua hii kiti ya deputy president utusaidie kwa maombi. Oh, wale watu walitufanyia madharau bwana. Bwana walitufanyia madharau. Na sasa wacha nikwambie, I can tell you the truth. Mtu yote mwenye amebaki hapo, they just don't have the guts. They know they are not wanted, and they know. Unajua, mtu asikwambie, I told all of them, we sat, we discussed these things.
That's not Kenya.
Yes, when I left, we left, all of us. When we went outside, told them, you guys, listen, have you seen what has happened? You know that meeting, we did not last in that hall for an hour. Everything was executed very fast so that it becomes distasteful for us, so that we leave. And we did. Lakini wacha nikuambie, na sisi tumesoma. Kosa sio kosa, kosa ni kurudia kosa. Na sisi, huyo mtu ametufanyia hiyo kitu, tumesoma. We have learned our lesson.
So as we speak, Professor Kibiki's goose is cooked.
Professor's goose is cooked. Cooked. Completely. It's cooked. And you know, now I've always heard of politics of use and dump. I did not know what that meant. I have just experienced it.